Alright, Tech Tip Thursday, Brixing a soda machine. So we've got all of our flavor primed, so we've primed our new flavor, Zero Mountain Dew, and we are going to be, well, we gave it 15 minutes to chill, so the cold plate has chilled our product. So how do we get started? First thing, we got our two white buttons up here, that's going to get us into programming mode. So we're watching for the lights to change, which they did. And now this is all carb, so that's why it's all solid. And we're going to press and hold 1 and 4. And then we're going to get a change. And there we go. So the next step, I'm going to set you guys down. There we go. The carb water's on the left. That's going to give us our 10 seconds of product, or I guess our 10 seconds of water. Now what I usually do on this is I'm going to mark it as right underneath 300. So that way I don't have to keep re-pouring my water over and over again. So we're one notch under 300. We need our 5.0 to 1. And then we're gonna pull our product here. So, and the way we pull our product is we're just gonna push the button. And I need to use 2 hands for this, so you're gonna have to deal with me on that. All right, so we got our 5 to 1. We're gonna press the flavor itself. Whoops, and it got out of programming on me. There we go. Back after it. We're going to catch our product.
Have a good night.
I want to see if it's in line with our 300. So typically I'll take this down on a counter. And we're at that line, which is a little bit high. It's a little hard to see. So let's go down here. So we can see we are a notch above it. So we're gonna bring down this flavor a little bit. And we do that by adjusting
I'll do my best.
Yeah.
our flavor. So this guy right here is our newest flavor. And to reduce, we are going to turn out, if I remember right. Yes, increases to the right, decreases to the left. Let's collect again. And came out of programming again. Going back to all the way out. Let's see where we are. So to me, we took down a little bit too much. Got a little too excited. Add a little bit, and we'll draw again. I would call that perfect. So we'll bring it down. We are right in line. We know that this line was our water line. We're pretty darn close. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take us out of programming and we're going to taste it. So to get out of programming, 1 and 4, solid, and then 2 waters. And then it should go back to normal lighting. Make a small cup. And we're going to verify that the flavor that we're getting is the flavor we want. So 0. It tastes like 0 sugar Mountain Dew, to be honest with you. So that is one of the 2 done. Now we got to just do 0 sugar Pepsi.